Good morning, all BMC officers, respected teacher, and my dear students. BMC Online Education. I, Mr. Dnyaneshwar Ambala Zavle from Irangal Municipal School, warm welcome you. Dear students, today we will focus on very important writing skill. Question number 6 A. A1 Information transfer non-verbal to verbal. This question is about to 5 marks, and students pay attention. Writing skill section is very important to get more and more marks in English subject, and for it you should be very careful about your writing. You do practice. Reading is more important. Now see how to attempt this question. For this question, you will be given some non-verbal information in the form of a table, a tree diagram, flow chart, a wave, a pie diagram, etc. Second, the information given will be a bare minimum. It will be diagrammatical or pictorial and consist of a few words or phrases. Different type of table, T diagram, flow chart, or wave or pie diagram. And the information is diagrammatical, pictorial, and few words. Third, the information will be about some topic or issue which will be mentioned either as the title of the table, pie diagram, or tree diagram, or in the center of the wave or map. Fourth, read the points carefully. This is most important. Reading is before you start writing, read the points carefully and try to understand what type of points are given. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. Fifth, you are expected to use the information to write 1 2 paragraphs covering all the points given. Don't forget to give a title to the paragraph. Title must be given because see the marking scheme. Title 1 mark. Use of given points 2 mark. Grammar 1 mark. Appropriate beginning and conclusion 1 mark. It means total 5 marks are divided in these points. So title is most important. If you don't write the title, then you will lose 1 mark. This is very important. Now see, there is some picture given in the slides. Pie chart is shown. Then diagram is shown. In this format, all the informations are given to you. Now see the examples. First question, books have the power to inspire and do many more things. Observe the wave diagram. This is a wave diagram. And convert the information into a paragraph. You have to convert these points in the paragraph. Add a few more points to the given information. Now see the points. Books, inspiration. Inspiration म्हणजे प्रेरणा. प्लेजर, आनंद. मोटिवेट म्हणजे चालना मिळणे. टीच, शिकवणे. आणि नॉलेज, ज्ञान. Now see how you have to convert this point in the paragraph. Now see, the title is given the value of books. Value म्हणजे किंमत. पुस्तकं ही बहुमूल्य आहेत. द बुक्स, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बुक्स म्हणजे पुस्तकांची किंमत. काय बघा, बुक्स प्ले अ सिग्निफिकंट रोल in our life. It is said that when you open a book, you open a new world. When you start writing any kind of new book, it is a new world for you. They are packed with knowledge, insight into a happy life, life lessons, love, fear, prayer, and helpful advice. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुस्तकं जी आहेत त्या पुस्तकामध्ये ज्ञान असतं. ज्ञानाचं भांडार आहे पुस्तक म्हणजे. ते आपल्याला आनंदी करतात. जीवनामध्ये काही धडे देतात. प्रेम शिकवतात. फिअर, काही पुस्तकामध्ये भीतीदायक असतात. काही गोष्टींची पुस्तकं असतात. त्यामध्ये प्रेयर, काही प्रार्थनेची पुस्तकं असतात. काही पुस्तकातून आपल्याला मोलाचा असा सल्ला मिळतो, हेल्पफुल ॲडवाइस. दे आर आवर बेस्ट कंपॅनियन्स फ्रेंड. बुक्स आर रिअली आवर गुड फ्रेंड्स. बुक्स आर आवर फ्रेंड्स indeed. They don't tease you, they give you knowledge. Books are treasure house. See the second paragraph. Books are a treasure house of knowledge, providing us information on all possible topics. They have the power to inspire us to rise to great heights. At the same time, they give us plenty of pleasure. They can transport us to cool places on a hot summer day or to a hot place in the dead of winter. They can make us laugh or cry. Books are also wonderful teachers. They teach us much more than what we learn from the people around us. The best thing is that they allow the learner to learn at his her own pace. Finally, books motivate us to search out our inner strength and talents and use them as well as we can. May there be many, many more books written. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुस्तकामध्ये इथे अधिक माहिती सांगताना काय लिहिले पॉईंट्सच्या आधारे बघा. मोटिवेशन एक पॉईंट आहे, नॉलेज आहे, प्लेजर आहे आणि इन्स्पिरेशन आहे. सगळ्या मुद्द्यांचा तिथे उपयोग बरोबर केला आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द बुक्स दे हॅव पॉवर टू इन्स्पायर अस rise to great heights. At the same time, they give us a plenty of pleasure. Now see, the pleasure word is also written in the line. It means you have to write each and every point. Don't forget any points. Cover all the points given in your question. Now see, the books are also wonderful teachers. Teach. It means पुस्तकं जे आहेत हे पुस्तकं एक अद्भुत शिक्षक आहेत. पुस्तकातून आपल्याला ज्ञान मिळतं. दे टीच अस मोर दॅन व्हॉट वी लर्न फ्रॉम द पीपल अराउंड अस. आपल्या सभोवताचे जे लोक आहेत त्यांच्यापेक्षाही आपण जास्त पुस्तकांमधून शिकतो. अँड फायनली बुक्स मोटिवेट. सी द मोटिवेट वर्ड इज गिवन, पॉइंट गिवन. मोटिवेट अस टू सर्च आउट आवर इनर स्ट्रेंथ. म्हणजे आपल्यामध्ये ज्या आतमध्ये आपल्या शक्ती आहेत, अंतर्गत मूलभूत म्हणजे आपली कॅपॅसिटी, आपण काय करू शकतो याची जाणीव आपल्याला पुस्तकं करून देतात. दे मोटिवेट अस अँड टॅलेंट्स अँड यूज देम ॲज वेल ॲज वी कॅन. आणि त्याचा वापर आपण कसा करायचा हे सांगतात. म्हणून शेवटची लाईन काय म्हटली आहे, मे देअर बी मेनी मेनी मोर बुक्स रिटर्न. म्हणजे अशा रीतीने आणखीन जास्तीत जास्त पुस्तकं ही लिहिली गेली पाहिजेत. सी, ऑल पॉइंट्स आर कवर इन दिस 2 paragraphs and title also is given. If you pay attention and practice, then it will be very easy. Now see the second example. Given here is a pie chart, wave diagram and pie chart. See the difference. The result of 100 students of standard 10 in the preliminary exams. The chart shows the number of students who failed in the subject mentioned. Now see in the pie chart, science 30%, geography 50%, history 5%, maths 22% and English 28%. Now write sentences describing the performance of the students. You may also compare performances. You may use word phrases such as. Now see the given below some words and phrases also. You have to write when you solve this type of question. For example, failed in, did not make the grade in, flunked means fail, in both, as well as, altogether, lesser, more, more than, the maximum, the least, etc. Now, heading is also given, performance of the students. Now see in the question, sometimes the title of the paragraphs you may see in question also. See, performance word is there given in the question. You may also compare performance of the students. म्हणजे कधी कधी प्रश्नपत्रिका तुमची ऍक्टिव्हिटी सेट जी आहे ही शांतपणे वाचायचं. सगळी उत्तरं काही काही उत्तरं तिथेच तुम्हाला सापडतात. प्रश्नावरच उत्तर काही असतं. म्हणजे इथे जास्त शोधण्याचं किंवा बुद्धीला ताण देण्याचा सुद्धा प्रश्न येत नाही. परफॉर्मन्स शब्द आपण प्रश्नातूनच सापडला आपल्याला. आणि स्टुडंट सुद्धा आहे वर 100 स्टुडंट्स म्हणजे परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स हे हेडिंग दिलं गेलं. 1 मार्क तुमचा इथे तुम्हाला अगदी मिळाला. नाव सी, SSC exam plays important role in every student's life. They have to appear for all the compulsory subject. This pie chart shows the result of 5 subjects in the first preliminary exam. In all, 100 students appeared for the exams. Of these, 22% students failed in mathematics. Now see, this information given in the question. 22% students maths in the pie chart given. Now construction of the sentence. Pay attention to the construction of the sentence. 28% did not make the grade in English and 30% students failed to do well in science. Now see, failed in. This phrase is used in this sentence. Altogether, 5% flunked in history. The maximum failures were in science. Now see, their percentage is given in the question. मॅक्झिमम जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थी कशामध्ये फेल झालेले आहेत तर विज्ञानामध्ये फेल झालेले आहेत 30%. द मॅक्झिमम फेल्युअर्स वेअर इन सायन्स. द लिस्ट फेल्युअर वेअर इन हिस्ट्री 5%. मोर स्टुडंट्स फेल्ड इन इंग्लिश दॅन इन मॅथमॅटिक्स. नाउ सी द वर्ड फ्रेज मोर दॅन है ना. Students get good practice in such exams, so they should give such exams seriously for practice. Then only they will be able to get good marks in the board exam. Now here students, you must read this type of questions more and more, and you have to pay attention the construction of the sentences. वाक्याची रचना कशी केलेली आहे, वर्ड्स अँड फ्रेजेस जे आहेत ते कसे वापरलेले आहेत हे तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे. आणि हे केव्हा लक्षात येईल की जेव्हा तुम्ही जास्तीत जास्त प्रॅक्टिस कराल. प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. तर हिअर we end this second example. Now one more example we will see. Third example, write a paragraph on the use of phones with the help of the following diagram. Mobile phone is now very important for you students. With the help of this mobile phone, your online education is going on smoothly. Now here, how mobile phone is useful, these points are given. For example, radio, internet, SMS, computer network, music, voicemail, and social media. Now, the heading is also see the use of mobile phones. See the question. In your question, heading is given. It means it is very easy once again for gaining 1 marks. Now see the answer. The use of mobile phones. The mobile phone is a wonderful modern invention. It has many uses. Its most important use is as a phone that you can use wherever you go. It also has a voicemail facility which helps you record phone calls. Besides, it has the facility of a camera whereby you can click pictures. It also has the facility of FM radio and downloading music. You can send short SMS messages by the mobile phone. A recent facility is that mobile phones can be connected to a computer network, and so you can also avail of the internet facility. Social media nowadays let us be in touch with our friends and relatives. Now see how all these points are covered in this paragraph. In the first line, mobile phone is a wonderful modern invention. अद्भुत असं आधुनिक शोध आहे मोबाईल म्हणजे. इट हॅज मेनी युजेस. पुष्कळ उपयोग आहेत. इट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट यूज ॲज अ फोन दॅट यू कॅन यूज वेर एव्हर यू गो. जिथे जिथे तुम्ही जाल तिथे तुम्ही अगदी खिशामध्ये आरामात मोबाईल घेऊन जाऊ शकता. पूर्वी याच्या अगोदर लँडलाईन होते ते आपण घेऊन जाऊ शकत नव्हतो. म्हणजे ही सुविधा याच्यामध्ये. इट ऑल्सो हॅज अ व्हॉइस मेल facility which helps you record phone calls. You can record the phone calls. Besides, it has the facility of camera. With the help of camera, you take photographs, click photographs, pictures, selfies. It also has the facility of FM radio. When you are traveling in the bus, train, you can also listen music with the help of FM radio. This facility is given. And downloading music. You can download the music also. You can send short SMS. Now, a days when you want to give your friends a birthday wishes, you do not write a postcard or letter. You send short SMS through this mobile phone. A recent facility is that mobile phones can be connected to a computer. मोबाईल फोन कॉम्प्युटरला जोडला जाऊ शकतो. And network and so you can also avail of the internet facility. Internet facility is given in the mobile. Social media nowadays, letters, WhatsApp, and these all, you are all are taking online education. This is also a very important help. Let us be in touch with our friends and relatives. With the help of this mobile, we are in touch our friends and relatives. It means, students, all these points are covered in these paragraphs. You have to read this carefully and try to write. If you do practice like this, you will definitely gain the marks in exam. Now, some more examples are given here. Make a practice. Practice makes perfect. Now see, question is given here. Given below is a table showing the age, height, and weight of 6 boys. This is a table. Name of the boy, age, height, and weight. Bhupendra, 18, height is 5.6 inch, 62 kg, weight. Ravi, 60, age, 5 inch height, 54 kg, weight. Melvin, 13, 4.5 inch height, 44 kg. Aslam, 15, age, 5.4 height, 48 kg, weight. Gopalachari, 16, age, 5.6 height, 52 kg. Naveen, 15, age, 5.1 height, and 48 kg, weight. There is a notice on the school notice board inviting boys to join the school football team. Boys must be minimum 15 years old, over 5.2 in height, and must be at least 52 kg in weight. Write a paragraph of about 8 sentences saying which of the boys can join and which cannot, and give all the reasons. Use words such as qualified, eligible, fulfills, etc. समजलं असेल? काही शंका असेल तर विचारा तुमचे माईक ऑन करून.